Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we will explore some very special fruits that are not only delicious but also provide significant health benefits for the liver, an essential organ in the digestive system and body detoxification. The liver is not just a simple detoxification organ but also plays a crucial role in various functions of the body. It regulates glucose, synthesizes cholesterol and important hormones, stores nutrients and essential vitamins, and maintains the body's acid-base balance and supports digestion. In today's list, we will learn about fruits rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and fiber, which enhance the liver's detoxification process effectively. These fruits not only provide nutritional supplements but also help maintain optimal liver health and reduce the risk of liver diseases. Let's discover together why you should include these fruits in your daily diet to care for and maintain optimal liver health. 1. Kiwi. Kiwi is a nutrient-rich fruit with numerous health benefits, particularly in protecting the liver and reducing liver enzymes. Kiwi contains a high amount of vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that helps protect liver cells from damage caused by free radicals and inflammation. Additionally, kiwi is a good source of fiber, which supports digestion and maintains gut health, thereby aiding the liver in eliminating waste and toxins. Vitamin E in kiwi also acts as an antioxidant, along with other antioxidants such as polyphenols, carotenoids, and flavonoids, which help reduce inflammation and prevent liver cell damage. The enzyme actinidin in kiwi supports protein digestion, reducing the workload on the liver and enhancing its efficiency. Folate, vitamin B9, in kiwi plays an important role in the recovery and regeneration of liver cells. Thanks to these nutritional components, kiwi helps reduce liver inflammation, supports liver function, and can help lower liver enzyme levels, an indicator of liver damage. To maximize the benefits of kiwi, it is best consumed fresh and should be part of a healthy diet rich in leafy greens, whole grains, and lean proteins, while limiting alcohol, fried foods, and sugar. 2. Blueberries. Blueberries are a nutrient-rich fruit known for their ability to protect the liver and reduce liver enzymes, thanks to their powerful antioxidant content like anthocyanins and vitamin C. Anthocyanins, a type of flavonoid, help protect liver cells from oxidative damage, while vitamin C boosts the immune system and aids in liver recovery. Additionally, blueberries contain vitamin K, essential for blood clotting and bone health, along with fiber that improves digestion and assists the liver in detoxifying the body. Polyphenols in blueberries provide anti-inflammatory effects, reducing liver inflammation and supporting the recovery of liver function. This combination of nutrients not only enhances liver function but also helps prevent non-alcoholic fatty liver disease and reduce fat accumulation in the liver. To maximize the benefits, blueberries can be consumed fresh, made into smoothies, added to cereals, yogurt, or used in dried or frozen forms. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for updates on health tips, recipes, and more information about health. 3. Guava. Guava is a tropical fruit rich in nutrients, known for its numerous health benefits, particularly in protecting the liver and helping to reduce liver enzymes. Guava contains a very high amount of vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that helps protect liver cells from damage caused by free radicals and other harmful agents. Guava is an abundant source of dietary fiber, especially soluble fiber, which aids in digestion and cleansing the digestive system, thereby reducing the burden on the liver. Fiber also helps control blood sugar levels and cholesterol, two important factors in maintaining liver health. Guava is also rich in vitamin A, primarily in the form of beta-carotene, along with flavonoids and polyphenols, plant compounds with strong anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. The potassium in guava plays an important role in regulating blood pressure, maintaining electrolyte balance in the body, and reducing pressure on the liver. 4. Lemons. Lemons are a fruit rich in vitamins and nutrients, particularly vitamin C, antioxidants, fiber, and citric acid, which help protect the liver and reduce liver enzymes. The vitamin C in lemons is a potent antioxidant that protects liver cells from damage caused by free radicals and also supports immune function and collagen production. Lemons also contain other antioxidants like flavonoids and limonoids, which help neutralize free radicals and protect liver cells from oxidative damage. The citric acid in lemons stimulates digestion, aids the liver in producing bile necessary for fat digestion, and prevents gallstone formation. Drinking warm lemon water in the morning helps detoxify the liver, supports the detoxification process, and lowers liver enzymes, a sign of inflammation or liver damage. Moreover, lemons help balance the body's pH, improve digestion, and boost the immune system, thus protecting overall liver and body health. To maximize the benefits of lemons, one can drink warm lemon water in the morning or add it to daily meals. 5. Bananas. Bananas are a nutrient-rich fruit with numerous health benefits, especially for the liver. They contain a significant amount of vitamin B6, vitamin C, fiber, potassium, and magnesium, all of which play crucial roles in maintaining healthy liver function. Vitamin B6 in bananas helps in the metabolism of proteins and carbohydrates, as well as in the production of neurotransmitters and red blood cells. Vitamin C enhances the immune system and protects liver cells from damage caused by free radicals. Soluble fiber aids in digestion, controls blood sugar and cholesterol levels, and supports the liver in eliminating toxins. Potassium and magnesium help maintain electrolyte balance, regulate blood pressure, and support muscle function, while also participating in essential enzymatic processes, including those involving the liver. These nutrients in bananas can help lower liver enzymes, protect liver cells from damage, and enhance overall liver function. 6. Avocado. Avocado is a nutrient-rich fruit with numerous health benefits, especially for the liver. It contains a high amount of monounsaturated fats, primarily oleic acid, which helps reduce inflammation and lower bad cholesterol, LDL, levels in the blood, thereby decreasing the risk of non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, NAFLD. In addition, avocados are a great source of fiber, aiding digestion, maintaining a healthy weight, and controlling blood sugar levels, all of which are important for liver health. Vitamin E and glutathione in avocados are powerful antioxidants that protect liver cells from damage caused by oxidative stress. Folate helps metabolize homocysteine, an amino acid that can harm the liver if it accumulates at high levels. Moreover, anti-inflammatory compounds such as oleic acid and carotenoids in avocados also help reduce inflammation and support the liver's natural detoxification process. 7. Plums. Plums are a nutritious fruit that offers numerous health benefits, particularly for the liver. Plums are rich in vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that helps protect liver cells from damage caused by free radicals. Additionally, plums provide vitamin A, which helps maintain the health of mucous membranes and skin, and supports immune function. The fiber in plums improves digestive function, aiding the body in eliminating toxins and reducing the burden on the liver. The antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds in plums not only protect the liver but may also help reduce elevated liver enzymes, a sign of liver damage. Plums also contain essential minerals such as potassium, copper, and magnesium, which are vital for various physiological functions. Some studies suggest that plums can help prevent fatty liver disease, a condition where fat accumulates in the liver, causing inflammation and damage. With these benefits, plums are a valuable addition to a healthy diet, supporting liver function and overall health. 8. Raspberries. Raspberries are a nutrient-rich fruit with many health benefits, particularly in protecting the liver and helping to reduce liver enzymes. They contain a significant amount of antioxidants, including vitamin C, quercetin, and polyphenols, which help protect liver cells from free radical damage and reduce the risk of liver damage. The vitamin C in raspberries also boosts the immune system and supports tissue regeneration, aiding in the maintenance of liver health. The high fiber content in raspberries improves digestion and helps eliminate toxins from the body, reducing the burden on the liver's detoxification process. Compounds like anthocyanins and ellagic acid in raspberries not only have strong anti-inflammatory properties but also help lower liver enzyme levels, AST, thus reducing inflammation and protecting the liver from potential damage. 9. Papaya. Papaya is a nutrient-rich fruit known for its numerous health benefits, especially in supporting liver function and reducing liver enzymes. It contains high levels of vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that protects liver cells from damage caused by free radicals, along with vitamin A and beta-carotene, which help maintain and repair liver tissue. The fiber in papaya improves digestion and prevents constipation, aiding in the reduction of cholesterol and toxins absorption, thereby lessening the liver's burden. Folate, a B vitamin found in papaya, plays a crucial role in DNA production and repair and helps lower homocysteine levels in the blood, a risk factor for liver damage. Papaya also contains the digestive enzyme papain, which aids in protein breakdown and has anti-inflammatory properties, helping to reduce inflammation in the liver. With its abundance of antioxidants, papaya helps protect liver cells, improve liver function, and reduce liver enzyme levels. Additionally, vitamin C and other antioxidants in papaya boost the immune system, aiding the body in fighting infections and diseases, including liver-related illnesses. 10. Tomatoes. Tomatoes are a nutrient-rich fruit with numerous health benefits, particularly in protecting the liver and reducing liver enzymes. Containing lycopene, a powerful antioxidant, tomatoes help protect liver cells from damage caused by free radicals, reduce inflammation, and prevent liver diseases like fatty liver and cirrhosis. The vitamin C in tomatoes not only boosts the immune system but also protects the liver from oxidative stress. Additionally, tomatoes provide beta-carotene, which converts into vitamin A, helping protect the liver's mucous membranes and supporting immune function. With their vitamin K content, tomatoes also support blood clotting processes and prevent liver cell damage. The fiber in tomatoes improves digestion and aids the liver in eliminating toxins. Moreover, plant compounds like lutein and zeaxanthin play a crucial role in protecting the liver. These nutrients together help reduce liver inflammation, decrease enzyme levels such as ALT and AST, protect liver cells, support detoxification processes, and strengthen the immune system. Refreshing morning with these breakfast for liver health. 1. Orange, banana, and blueberry smoothie. Ingredients: 2 oranges, peeled, separated, 1 banana, cut into pieces, half a cup blueberries, half a cup unsweetened yogurt. How to make: combine oranges, bananas, blueberries and yogurt in a blender. Blend until the mixture is smooth, then pour into a glass and enjoy. 2. Toast bread with tomatoes, avocado. Ingredients: 1 ripe avocado, 2 ripe tomatoes, 1/4 red onion, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, or balsamic vinegar, 2 slices whole grain bread, salt and pepper, fresh basil leaves. Instructions: dice avocado, chop the tomatoes and onion, if using, into small pieces. Mix the avocado, tomatoes, and onion with olive oil, lemon juice, salt, and pepper. Toast the bread until golden brown, then top with the salad and garnish with basil leaves if desired. 3. Yogurt, raspberries, and blueberries. Ingredients: 1 cup yogurt, regular or Greek, half a cup raspberries, half a cup blueberries, 1 tablespoon chia seeds or walnuts, 1 teaspoon honey. Instructions: pour a layer of yogurt into a glass, then add a layer of raspberries and blueberries. Next, add another layer of yogurt. Top with chia seeds or walnuts and drizzle with honey if desired. Enjoy immediately or chill before serving. 4. Salad, grapefruit and avocado. Ingredients: use 1 grapefruit, segmented and chopped, 1 avocado, sliced, 2 cups of lettuce, washed and chopped, and 1/4 cup of cashews. Instructions: in a large bowl, mix together the grapefruit, avocado, lettuce, and cashews. Drizzle with lemon juice and olive oil, then gently toss to combine. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Serve immediately or chill before serving. We've explored how these fruits, rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and fiber, play a crucial role in supporting liver function and detoxification processes. Remember, the liver's multifaceted role in regulating metabolism, storing essential nutrients, and detoxifying harmful substances underscores the importance of maintaining its health. By including these fruits in your diet, you not only nourish your liver but also promote overall well-being. We hope the insights shared today inspire you to make informed choices that prioritize your liver's health. Consistently incorporating these fruits can contribute significantly to your long-term health goals. Stay connected with our channel for more valuable tips on maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for updates on health tips, recipes, and more informative content. Thank you once again for watching, and until next time, take care and stay healthy.